अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास। हम अब हैंडआउट डिस्कस करेंगे कॉज एंड इफेक्ट का, जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया हुआ है। उसके अंदर लेट्स जस्ट क्विकली गो ओवर द आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। स्टेटमेंट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में कहता है, स्टेटमेंट 1 कहता है द प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल and diesel in the domestic market have remained unchanged for the past few months. Second कहता है the crude oil prices in the international market have gone up substantially in the last few months. So अगर statement 1 and statement 2 do not logically agree with each other, because if the prices have gone up in the international market, the prices should have gone up in the local market, domestic market as well, which is not happening. So which means that the prices are not going up in the domestic market because the government is controlling it. Okay? And the crude oil prices are going up in the international market because the demand is increasing, something like that. So both of them are the effect, but the cause is different for both of them. For the first, maybe it's probably the government, and for the second, it's probably the demand. So in this case, both the statements are effects of independent causes, which would make B or answer and not C. Okay. Looking on the question. Second question, the government has recently fixed the fees for professional courses offered by the unaided institutions, which are much lower than the fees charged last year. So they seem to be the outcome. The parents of the aspiring students launched a severe agitation last year, protesting against the high fees charged by the unaided institution. So that seems the reason, because parents launched the agitation last year, and therefore the government has fixed the fees. So if you want, you could read it the way that I explained in the first lecture of cause and effect, and which I said you could put in cause in the middle. So if you put a cause in the middle, so the statement will be like this: the government has recently fixed the fees because the parents lost in education last year. So the first statement seems to be the effect, and the second statement seems to be the cause, which makes B the right answer. Okay. Third question says, the State Bank of Pakistan recently put restrictions on few small banks in the country. The small banks in the private and cooperative sector are not in a position to withstand the competition of the bigger. So since they are not able to withstand, the State Bank has put a restriction. So if you were to read it again with put because in the middle, it will make sense. The State Bank has put restriction because the small banks are not in a position to withstand. So again, this seems to be the effect, and the second statement seems to be the cause, which would make B the right answer. Going on to the next page. Okay. Question number 4. All the schools in the area had to be kept closed for most part of the week. Many parents have withdrawn their children from the local schools. Okay. So schools in the area had to be kept closed because parents have withdrawn their children. Okay. For most part of the week. Okay. If it were being closed permanently because parents have withdrawn, then that would make more sense. Now, it was closed for most part of the week, probably because of, let's say, the virus or the weather. And many parents have withdrawn their children from the local schools. So this have to be kept close seems to be an effect, but not of the fact that the parents have withdrawn their children. So this is an effect. ठीक है, तो ये आउटकम तो है. Okay. Now, many parents have withdrawn. Again, this seems to be an effect. Why have they withdrawn? The reason is going to be the cause. So in this case, they both are effects. Okay. And the reasons are probably different. Because they have maybe taken withdrawn their children because they have a financial crisis. So अलग अलग reasons होंगे probably. Okay जी, moving on to question number 5. Pakistan has surpassed the value of tea exports this year overall over all the early years due to an increase in demand for quality tea in the European market. तो इसमें आपको cause दिया हुआ है. There is an increase in demand of coffee in the domestic market during the last 2 years. Okay, there's an increase. So, if you can see, they both are not linked. So, A and B are out, and they cannot be the effects of some common cause. Because tea ka ताल्लुक tea exports ka demand of coffee se doesn't really make sense. So, it's going to be one of the two, either C or D. And if you look at the first statement carefully, तो उसमें उसने due to का word use किया हुआ है, which means it is a cause. ठीक है, the second one can be a bit tricky, but the first one is clear that it's a cause. So it's got to be C. Why do I say the second one is tricky? You could look at it both ways. You could say there is an increase of demand of coffee in the domestic market in the last 2 years. So you could say people's tastes have shifted towards coffee, and therefore there is an increase. You could say that. You could also say that there is an increase in demand of coffee in the last 2 years, and therefore sales have increased. So then in that case, the second statement would be a cause. So second statement is a little tricky in how you read it, but the first statement is very clear, that's a cause. So you should keep it simple. जिससे आंसर मिल रहा है, दूसरे को फिर इतना सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है. Because आपको पता है कि C और D में से कोई एक है. If the first one is a cause, it's obviously clear, then the first one cannot be an effect. So effect वाला option कट जाता है. Okay, Ji, let's look at question number 6 now. 6 says there is an unprecedented increase in the number of young unemployed in comparison to previous year. A large number of candidates submitted applications against an advertisement for the post of manager issued by a bank. So basically, this seems to be the reason. Okay, there is so much unemployment, large people applied. This seems to be the effect. So this seems to be the cause, and this is the effect. क्योंकि इतने सारे unemployed थे तभी लोगों ने apply किया. Right? So statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is the effect. That makes A the right answer. Let's look at question number 7 now. The police authority has recently caught a group of housebreakers. The citizen groups in the locality have started night vigil in the area. Now, if you put in because in the middle and say the police authority has recently caught a group of housebreakers. And we say because the citizen group have started a night vigil. So if the citizen group has started night vigil, then the police has recently caught wouldn't make sense. There would have been the citizens have recently caught. Okay, so they are outcomes. The first one is outcome. The police authority has recently caught a group of housebreakers, but the reason is not the citizen group, it's something else, maybe more patrolling. Okay, so this is an effect. And the citizens in the group locality have started night vigil in the area. Why have they started? Because there have been robberies in the area. So this also seems to be an effect. So the first one is an effect of maybe more police patrolling. And the second one is an effect of maybe more house robberies, the increasing house robberies. So dono effect hai, but the cause are different. So, or are they the same? So if you see, the police authority has recently caught a group of housebreakers, the citizen group in the locality has started night vigil in the area. So the cause effectively short में तो difference लग रहा है, but the cause is effectively the deteriorating law and order. So effectively एक common cause है जिनसे निकल रहा है. ठीक है, law and order का मसला है, तभी पुलिस ज़्यादा monitoring कर रही है, इसलिए उन्होंने पकड़ लिया है. And citizens जो हैं, they have started night vigil in the area because law and order खराब हो रहा है, robberies हो रही हैं. So effectively, they have the same cause. So they are effects of some common cause. Okay. So therefore, E seems to be the right answer. Okay. Now going on to statement 8. Question 8, sorry. Majority of the students in the college expressed their opinion against the college authorities' decision to break away from the university and become autonomous. Mhm. The university authorities have expressed their inability to provide grants to its constituent colleges. Okay. So the college has broken away from the university. That's what you understand. And why have they broken away? Because they are not getting grants. So this seems to be the reason, and this is the outcome. And therefore, people are protesting. So statement 2 is the cause, and statement 1 is the outcome. Okay, Ji, next question. The literacy rate in the district has been increasing. So this seems to be an outcome. The district has conducted extensive training. This seems to be the reason. Again, the training kar rahe hain isliye. Statement 2 is the cause, and statement 1 is the effect. So B makes more sense. Question number 10. The school authorities has asked the ex-students to attend 10 students to attend special classes to conduct on Sundays. The parents of 10 standard students have withdrawn their wards from attending private tuitions on Sundays. So they have asked, and therefore the parents have to withdraw it from the tuition centers. So this is the reason, and this is the outcome. So A makes sense in this case. Okay. STD stands for standard, which is class. All right. Going on to question number 11. The government has imported large quantities of sugar as per trade agreement with other countries. The price of sugar in domestic market have fallen sharply. So the prices have fallen because the government has imported large quantities. So again, this is the reason. This is the outcome or the cause. Okay, so statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is its effect. A answer is that. Going on to question number 12. There is a sharp decline in the production of oil seeds. The government has decided to increase the import. So if the production is decreasing, therefore the government has decided. So this is the outcome, and this is the cause. Okay. So statement 1 is the cause and statement 2 is the effect. क्योंकि production decrease हुई है इसलिए government ने import किया. So A is the right answer. The private medical colleges have increased. This is question number 13. Sorry. The private medical colleges have increased tuition fees in the current year by 200% over the last years to meet the expenses. The government medical colleges have not increased their fees in spite of price escalation. So private has increased, and they're giving you the reason the expenses बढ़ गए. So they're saying giving a cause as well. Government have not increased. So they both are not linked. Therefore, by the private have increased because the government has not increased. That doesn't make sense. The government has increased because the private government has not increased because the private has increased. That doesn't make sense. So they both are not linked. ठीक है. And one में again हमें cause दिया हुआ है कि नहीं दिया हुआ. They have increased the fees, so this is the outcome. Have not increased their fees, so this is the outcome. So again, I was wrong in saying that this is the cause because they're not saying their expenses have increased. So this is not the cause because they said that because the expenses have increased, so ये cause हो जाता. ठीक है जी. So these are both are actually the outcomes, which means they are both effects of independent causes. Okay, so the independent cause of the first case would be to meet the increasing in cost, and the second would be because the government has decided to finance the expense from its own budget. That's why they've not. दोनों का reason अलग होगा. All right. Going on to question number 14. It says large number of people living in the low-lying areas have been evacuated during the last few days to safer places. The government has rushed in relief supplies the people living in the affected area. Rushed in relief supplies. Okay. So पहले वाला कह रहा है कि मैं large number of people have been evacuated during the last few years to safer places, and the government has rushed in relief supplies to the people living in affected areas. So अगर आप first sentence को देखें, so you can see the word have been, which means कि outcome है, and the government has rushed. Again, rush किया, क्यों किया? Because there is a need over there. So they both are outcomes. And there seems to be a common cause कि हालात खराब है वहाँ पे, तभी इन्होंने evacuate भी किया और rush भी किया supplies. So the answer in this case should be E, that they both are the effects of some common cause. Okay, so I'm just marking it here because it यहाँ पे नजर आ रहा है, but it's going to be E. Question number 15 पे आ जाते. 15 statement 1 कहता है, it is the aim of the city's civic authority to get the air pollution reduced by 20% in the next 2 months. The number of asthma cases in the city is constantly increasing. That's a statement 2. So if you read the two again together and put in because, पहला इस तरह होगा कि भाई the aim of the city is to get the reduced because the number of asthma cases is increasing. And that makes sense. कि increase कर रहे हैं, that is why they want to now reduce to the pollution and better the air quality. So statement 2 is the cause, seems to be the cause, the reason, and this is the outcome, the action in this case, which makes B the right answer. If you read question number 16, it says, the local cooperative credit society has decided to stop giving loans. So again, this is a kind of an outcome. They have decided to stop. Why have they decided to stop? Because if you read the second statement, a large number of credit society members have withdrawn major part of their deposits. So this seems to be the reason, because लोगों ने पैसे निकाल दिए, so they can't give loans further. So statement 2 is the cause, and statement 1 is the effect. Let's read question number 17. The employees of the biggest bank in the country have given an indefinite strike call starting from 3rd of the next month. The employees of the central government have withdrawn their week-long demonstrations. Okay. So the government of the employees of the biggest bank in the country have given an indefinite strike. So ये बैंक वालों ने strike किया and government वालों ने withdraw कर दी अपनी demonstrations. So they don't really seem to be linked because एक bank है, government है. So and they don't really, A and B are definitely are out, and it does not seem to be a common cause over here as well. The government के employees ने निकाल अपनी strike, अपनी demonstration खत्म कर दी है, and the biggest bank employees have started their own strike. So they probably do not have the same cause then, because if they had the same cause, then they would have a similar action. एक खत्म कर रहा है, दूसरा start कर रहा है, right? So okay, now if you read C, both the statements are independent causes. Now this doesn't seem to be a cause. This is actually an action, effect. They are going to have a strike. Why? Because their demands are not being met, right? So the demands are not being met is the cause. They are going to take a strike is the action, which is the effect, which makes D the right answer. Similarly, the second statement, they have withdrawn their week-long demonstrations. Why have they withdrawn? Because the demands are, their government has increased their pay. Okay, so उनका अपने reasons होंगे, पहले वाले का अपने reasons होंगे. So that would make the right answer. Okay, going on to question number 18. 18 says there is an increase in water level of all the water tanks supplying drinking water to the city during the last fortnight. Second statement says most of the trains were cancelled last week due to water logging on the track. So there is an increase because of, let's say, rain, maybe something like that, or maybe flooding. Then trains were cancelled because of water logging on the tracks, because of maybe the similar kind of thing, because of rain or something like that. So both are actually outcomes, but they both have the same reason. दोनों का पानी बढ़ गया, दोनों का same similar effect है. So they probably have the same common source. Okay, so it's going to be E. 19 कहता है majority of the citizens in the locality belong to high income groups. The sales in the local supermarket are comparatively much higher than in other localities. So citizens, so अब यहाँ पे outcome है कि sales are higher, and this seems to be the reason. So if you read it carefully, if you read it again and you say majority of the citizens belong to higher income because the sales are higher, no, it should be the sales are higher because citizens belong to a higher income group. Okay, so statement 1 seems to be the cause and statement 2 seems to be the outcome. Sales are higher, so it's going to be A. ठीक है, reason या cause एक ही बात है. Okay जी. Now question number 20 says that life today is too fast, demanding and full of variety in all aspects, which at times leads to stressful situations. Keyword being stressful situations. Second statement says number of suicide cases among teenagers is on the increase. So this is the outcome. Why? The reason being the stressful situation. So reason is the cause. So statement 1 is the cause and 2 is the outcome. That makes A the right answer. 21 says the government has decided to make all the information related to primary education available to the general public. In past, the general public did not have access to all the information related to primary education. So in past, ये पुरानी चीज है तो ये reason होगी, and this is the outcome. So in past they did not have it. That is why the government has decided to make one. So statement 2 is the cause and 1 is the effect. There could also be other reasons as well, but if अगर इन दोनों को ही देख के हम आइडेंटिफाई करने की कोशिश करें तो 2 seems to be the reason. Okay. Question number 22 says the farmers have decided against selling their kharif crops to the government agencies. So this seems to be the outcome that they have decided. The government has reduced the procurement price of kharif crops. So government ने reduce कर दी price. This seems to be the reason, and that is why the farmers don't want to sell. So statement 2 seems to be the cause, and 1 is the outcome, which is the effect. So B seems to be the right answer. Going on to question 23. The performance of most of the students in final exam of class 10 in the schools run by the government was excellent. Okay, so this seems to be the outcome. Very excellent thing. All right. Second statement कहता है many teachers of the government left the schools and joined private schools. Again, they left and joined. Why? That वो reason नहीं बताया. So this seems to be the outcome as well. So both, and they don't seem to make sense. The government final exam of class 10 was excellent because they left. That doesn't make sense. If they left, then the government के results would have been bad. Okay, so there has to be some other reason. So they both are outcomes. So A and B are out because they're not linked together as such. So that leaves us with C, D and E. C में कहता है cause है, वो cause तो नहीं है, वो outcomes है, effect है, ठीक है? And so D कहता है both statements 1 and 2 are effects of independent causes, and E says both statements 1 and 2 are effects of some common cause. They can't be some common cause because they're not they don't seem to be the action of one policy. ठीक है? 10th के results better है government schools में because maybe the students worked really hard. Second, many teachers left, joined private because the pay in private schools was much better. So the reasons seem to be different. So the causes seem to be different. So it should be D, delta. Let's look at question 24 now. 24 says, there is considerable reduction in the number of people affected by waterborne disease in city A during the rainy season. So again, reduction hui hai. Then says the government has opened 4 new civil hospitals in city A in the beginning of the year. So 24, again, let's read this. It says there is considerable reduction in the number of people affected by the waterborne disease in city A during the rainy season. Now, the reduction is because maybe because of, let's say, better water practices, such as proper drainage, proper one CR, and so on and so forth. Okay, so this seems to be an effect. The second one says the government has opened 4 new civil hospitals in city A in the beginning of the year. So waterborne diseases का civil hospital बनाने से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं लगता, क्योंकि diseases कम है, वो ये नहीं कह रहा है कि patients recover ज्यादा हुए, कि disease कम हुए का hospital से कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है, hospital से ताल्लुक होता है कि patients recover ज्यादा हुए and so on and so forth. So they're definitely unconnected. Okay, and the first one is an effect, and they do not seem to have a common source. So E भी कट गया. So D बचता है. और second को भी देखा जाए तो second statement can also be an effect. The government has opened 4 new civil hospitals at the beginning of the year because the number of hospitals currently are insufficient. So again, that seems to be an effect. So the answer for 24 should be D. So going on to the next page. All right, 25 says, the prices of vegetables have been increased considerably during the summer. So that seems to be an outcome, which means it seems to be an effect. And this says there is tremendous increase in the temperature during the summer, thereby damaging crops. This is the reason the temperature has increased and damaged the crops. So second statement is the reason, is the cause, as first statement is the outcome, which is the effect. So B should be the right answer. Okay, question 26. Most of the steel producing companies in the country have made considerable profit during the last financial year. Second statement says many Asian countries have been importing huge quantities of steel. So this seems to be the reason, because they have been importing, therefore they have made lots of profit. So outcome is your effect, and this is your cause. The statement 2 is the cause, and statement 1 is its effect. All right, question 26. Rural and semi-urban areas in the country have been suffering due to load shedding for quite some time. If the second statement says if the government is not able to overcome the private crisis, load shedding will be extended even to the urban areas. So this again have been suffering. This seems to be an outcome of what? Why electricity production come in. Similarly, the government is not able to overcome, it will be extended to urban. ये भी हो सकता है. This will be an outcome as well if the crisis is not settled. So the crisis is not settled is common to both. ठीक है? So they both are the outcomes, they both are effects. So that leaves you with D and E. But the cause is the same, that there is a crisis. which means E is right answer. All right. Going on to the last question of the hand. The university authority has instructed all the colleges under its jurisdiction to ban use of all phones inside the college premises. They have decided. So have instructed. So it's an outcome. Majority of the teachers of the colleges signed a joint petition to the university complaining the disturbances caused by cell phone ringtones inside the class. This seems to be the reason, because they had a petition, therefore the university banned. So statement 2 is the cause, the reason being the cause, and statement 1 is the outcome, which is the effect. So therefore B should be the right answer. So I hope this is now clear to you. A few questions थोड़े बहुत होते हैं जिसमें you could have some other reasoning, but एक आध सवाल अगर कोई इस तरह का आ जाए तो आप आइडेंटिफाई करें कि वो कॉज लग रहा है आपका, और रीजन लग रहा है या आउटकम लग रहा है, ठीक है। और आप रीजन को भी फर्दर आउटकम कर सकते हैं, बट ओवर थिंक ना करें, तो डेटा किया हुआ उससे ही फिगर आउट करने की कोशिश करें। थैंक यू गाइस, अल्लाह हाफिज।